Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see online complaint Django project. So let's see how to start the project. First open the XAMPP control panel. Then start the Apache and MySQL. Once you start the MySQL and Apache, it will give the green light. Next go to the MySQL admin. It will promote you to the web browser. So this is the backend database. Here you can see your DB name. It's have a backend data on this page. Like open any DB name. Here you can see the user register details. So next go to the Visual Studio. First explore your project folder. Here you can see your project folder name and it's have a coding folders. Then go to the readme text file. Here you can see the DB name and how to start the project in step-by-step procedure and login credentials. First open the terminal. So click this three icon and go to the new terminal. So here you can see your project path and enter the two commands. First install the requirements. So copy the command and paste to the terminal. I have already installed, so I go to the next step. So copy the second command, python manage.python run server. Now your project server is run. Here you can see the URL link. Copy the link and paste to the web browser. So now you can see the project homepage. It's have three roles: user, staff, and admin. First go to the admin login. Click the office and login button. Here you can see the admin login. Enter the email ID and enter the admin username and password. Then login into the admin homepage. So this is the admin homepage. Here you will be manage the user register and view allow the drivers and see the complaints and feedbacks. First go to the complaints. Here you can see the user complaints details. You can see the user name and address. You can see the complaint type and status. If you want to update the status, you can do it here. Then go to the feedback. Here you can see the user feedback about driver staffs. And go to the user register. Here you can see the user register details. Next go to the user. Here you can see the staff and user register user login details. Like click any ID. You will be see the user details. Then go to the staff login. Here you can see the staff login details and here you will be approve the staff login. Admin approve the staff after staff will be login our homepage. Next, log out the admin homepage. Next, we will be move for the user login. We have to sign up. Go to the user register. Here you can register your login homepage. So enter the username. I give the example names. User and give the first name and last name and enter by email ID and password. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digit. Then enter the confirmation password. Then click the sign up. Now register successfully. It will be automatically login. So this is the user homepage. Here you can create the complaints and view your complaint status. First go to the create complaint. Here you can create your complaint details. So give your name and enter your address and mobile number. Then select the locality and complaint type. Whatever you will be select the complaint type, that complaint category staff will be see your complaints. So next select the complaint level. Then give your complaint proof. Click the choose file and upload your complaint proof. Once you fill the all files, click the submit button. After the create complaint, go to the my complaints. Here you can see your complaint details and you can see the complaint detail. Then its status will be pending. If you want to edit the image, click the edit image. Here you will be edit the image on this page. And if you want to update your latitude map, click the update map. It will be promoted to the Google map. Here you can see the red bubble and drag and drop to the red bubble in your current location. Then click the submit button. Now your location will be updated successfully. Then if you want to view the status, click the view status. You can see your status and reason and solutions. Next go to the feedback. You can share your feedback on this page. So enter any feedbacks. Once you enter the feedback, then click the submit button. Next, my profile is used to update your contact details. If you want to edit your details, click the edit profile and you can do it here. Next, log out the user login. Next, go to the staff login. We have to sign up. Go to the officer register. Here you will be register the staff login. Give the staff name and enter the staff first name and last name. Enter the email ID. Then select the location and department. and give the password. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digits. Then click the sign up button. Now register successfully. If you already registered, you can use your username and password, then log in into the staff homepage. Enter the staff username and give the password. Select the location and department. First time you can log in the staff homepage. It's not login because admin will be approved your profile after you can log in your homepage. So go to the admin homepage. Go to the user module. Here you can see the staff details and go to the staff login details. Here you can see the staff details and approve the staff. Once you click the approve, then click the save button. Now staff will be approved. Then log in the staff login. Now login successfully. So this is the staff homepage. Staff will be manage the user complaints and update the reports. So go to the view complaint. Here you can see the user complaints details and you can see the location and update the status. You complete the complaints, go to the update status, then change the status and give the reason and solution. Then upload the proof page. Now status update successfully. Next go to the show map. Here you can see the user locations. Next go to the view reports. Here you can see your reports details and you can see the pending totals and completed status. Next go to the view feedbacks. You can see the user feedbacks on this page. Then my profile is used to update your contact details. So this is the online complaint Django project.
Code shopping.